You have a presentation due in 10 minutes, but instead of us spending hours designing slides, an AI creates a professional presentation, document, or even a website in just a few clicks. Sounds unbelievable? In this video, I'll review Gamma AI, show you how to log in, explore its best features, and help you decide whether it's actually worth using in 2026. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking for an AI tool that can create presentations, documents, and web pages without complicated design work, then this video is for you. Let's start with the login process. Open your browser and visit the official Gamma AI website. Click Sign Up if you're a new user, or Login if you already have an account. You can continue using your Google account, Microsoft account, or email address. After logging in, you'll arrive at a clean and beginner-friendly dashboard. Now, let's see what Gamma AI can actually do. The biggest advantage of Gamma AI is that it doesn't create traditional slides. Instead, it generates beautiful, interactive content with modern layouts, smooth animations, and AI-powered formatting. Just enter your topic, describe what you want, choose a theme, and Gamma AI automatically builds your presentation within seconds. But that's not all. You can also generate reports, business proposals, project documentation, portfolios, study notes, and even simple landing pages. Every section is editable, so you can change text, colors, images, layouts, and fonts without needing any design experience. One feature I really like is the AI editing assistant. If a paragraph sounds too long or unclear, Gamma AI can rewrite, shorten, or improve it instantly. It also lets you insert AI-generated images, charts, YouTube videos, and other media to make your presentation more engaging. So, is there any downside? The free plan is excellent for beginners, but some premium templates, advanced AI features, and higher usage limits require a paid subscription. Still, if you're a student, content creator, freelancer, marketer, or business professional, the free version offers enough features to get started. Overall, Gamma AI is one of the easiest AI presentation tools available today. It saves time, produces professional-looking results, and requires almost no design skills. If you create presentations regularly, it's definitely worth trying. If you found this Gamma AI review helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which AI tool you'd like me to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.